think it's gonna be a hell of a night.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful day out here with the gang. Just chilling. About to turn up right now at home in San Juan Capistrano. Yep. Oh my god. Wow! Would you look at that? That's an amazing waterfall there. Right there.
Oh, people.
Huh.
Boy, what the? Check it out.
Dinger.
Oh my God.
Beautiful. Heck yeah. Nope. Not this year.
Alright, we got a couple of honeys coming up.
Oh. Nope. Some high now.
Let's record them. There's something to vlog.
I did too.
Let's go this way. It's beautiful. Let's go hit a dinger. Nice field. I want to hit one. So? Oh! Dang. What's up, guys? Balling up. Hey, can I hit one?
Wow.
So we're back. I know. So we're back. What are we about to go do? Fishing?
Yeah, we're about to go fishing.
We're about to go fishing. You know us. Huh? What do you mean?
Remember I told you?
Like this? Oh yeah. It's alright. Ciao. Yeah, it's pretty turnt here.
There's a fire.
There's a fire. It's pretty crazy here on the beach, actually.
Take a left right here.
A left?
Take a left right here to the street.
Right here into the street. Go right. It's a beautiful day here.
More go-kart racers.
Go-kart racers.
You're right.
Stay to your right. What's up, fellas? Wow, this is amazing. I see a shark. I see a shark right here.
They call me Shark Boy.
Lava girl.
So you're trying to be my lava girl.
What the fuck? Oh yeah. Really? It's crazy.
He didn't know how to do it, so he got the light.
It's pretty crazy out here. It's a nice, beautiful day. Where? So that's all the way out because he's a liar. But there's a boat. I mean, a ship. Get it? So we're here walking on this rocky road. Rocky road. It's pretty crazy over here. Don't you think, Isaac?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rocks. Yeah. That got me tired. Oh, snap. Look at that big mongoose.